as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Yeah. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. And patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Money moves, they all this shit feel from home. I can get cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. early hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning and way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. The minutes tick by, every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing me? Catch a pattern while the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds. Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician. Reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more intense delivery.
Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, yeah, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Want a ritual complete. Left my mark on these streets of green and red, but the rhythm stays in my head.
Morning comes, I think of you first. Chart lines dance while my coffee bursts. Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules. Charts and coffee, that's our way. That's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Just you, me, and these morning routines. Building something real, building something real, what I mean. I watch you rushing in the morning, trying to catch every move. But let me share something with you that'll help improve your groove. See, you're like fresh beans waiting to release what's locked inside. But patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. You check your screens at sunrise, numbers dancing everywhere. But trading's like my coffee method, it needs time and tender care. Temperature's important, just like timing in the trade. Too hot and you'll get burned quick, too cold opportunities fade. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave, but the ones who last the longest know just when to stay away. So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do. Like coffee needs its moments for the flavors to extract. Your trades need proper timing before you plan to act. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. Just up before the rest of the block now, just me and my laptop. Tick-tock, haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but these charts ain't gonna read themselves, I bet. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Same way I read these charts all the time. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's how we make these moves round here. That's how we do. Red candles flash on my screen while I'm sipping something mean. Used to play it fast and lose, now wait for confirmation, that's the truth. Got a system, got a plan, I'm trading like a rookie, understand. Numbers dancing, I stay cool, cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red, gotta keep a level head. Deep breath in, let it flow, this ain't no casino, yo. This is just not checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam. Markets opening in 5. Feel my focus come alive. Charts tell stories if you know how to read between the highs and lows. Been at this since way back when. Now I'm teaching you, my friend. This ain't luck, this ain't chance, this is morning market dance. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Every single morning, we do this right. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. It's the only way we move from here. wakes, I'm in my domain. Steam rising slow like thoughts in my brain. Watching lines that move like waves of grain. Every morning's got its own sweet flow. Some days fast, but mostly moving slow. Learning how to read which way things go. Finding peace in what these mornings show. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. Fuck the noise, I'm focused on my path. Reading signals through the aftermath. Every line's a story that I grasp. Some shit falls, other things will last. Damn, I left these mornings by myself. Learning lessons money couldn't help. Every cup of wisdom brings me wealth beyond what's sitting on my shelf. Filtered through the static, find the flow that's magic. In the quiet hours, let it all unfold. Watch the truth get told. Patterns start to speak. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. That's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. La la la, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear. La la la, the quiet hours. First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane. Every morning, same position, same station. Building blocks of daily meditation. Clear mind as I track each indication. Patient breathing, deep contemplation. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In a rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. Lines intersect, I'll watch them play. Reading signs that point the way. Years of practice taught me how to stay cool and steady through each display. My fingers trace ascending paths while steam rises, making me laugh as quiet hour holds its craft. As wisdom flows through every draft, each morning brings another chance. see chaos, I see design. Some feel rushed, I take my time. In these moments, I refine every signal, every sign. On the surface lies the art of knowing when to stop and start. Each cup of wisdom sets apart a discipline that fills my heart. Early hours hold the key to everything I need to see. In this space, I'm truly free to let the knowledge flow through me. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In the rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean. Trying to show you how I move. When markets open, got nothing to prove. Markets calling my name. Trading ain't just a game. Watch and learn, babe, watch and learn. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Woke up early, check the trends. Send your signals, watch you win. Ain't no sleeping when Asia trades. Got my system, got it made. Keep it cool, stay in the zone. Analysis on my phone. Trading life, it's all I know. Watch these profits start.
Listen up, I'ma break it down for you straight. Look, charts telling stories while others hesitate. RSI crossing NACDs looking clean. Building strategies like you ain't never seen. Resistance levels got me feeling so alive. Support zones when my orders through is sleep. Now I'm teaching you to swim in the deep. Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO moves, we stay calculated. Success comes to those who waited.
Take notes while I demonstrate. Perfect entries, never too late. Watch how I navigate. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Let me show you mine. First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slow dance. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms, finding my place. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Watching patterns flow, 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 flow with the morning. Ooh, letting wisdom grow, 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 grow with the learning. Each candlestick painting stories clear, teaching lessons if you know how to hear. Red and green dancing on my screen, speaking truths about what might have been. Patient moments turn to understanding, while my coffee cools, wisdom expanding. You show me past the peaks and valleys to reach in. Surely teaching discipline through each rally. In these quiet hours we share our dance, numbers flowing, giving life its chance. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Let it flow, let it breathe, morning wisdom setting free. Let it rise, let it be, finding peace in what I see. Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot brewing, charts on my screen. Every ripple in my cup shows me something new. Just like market trends, they're giving me a clue. Watch it rise and fall, both seeming lines. Morning meditation sharpening my mind. I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, every trend holds a truth, Sip and study slowly, that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. Numbers dance before me in the morning light, while my coffee cools, I'm reading signs just right. Some days flow easy, some test my grace, but I keep my focus, set my own pace. Measure movements, calculated plays, learning from each pattern as the market sways. In this quiet moment, everything watch it flow. Let me know. Sha-la-la, see it grow. Oh, 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 now you know. Every line tells a story, tells a story. Every trend holds a truth, holds a truth. Sip and study slowly, study slowly. That's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. Morning wisdom brewing. Charts and coffee flowing. Patterns keep on moving. That's the way we're going. That's the way, that's the way we're going.
Early bird energy, just me and these lines. Numbers keep flowing, yeah, time after time. Steam from my cup like the thoughts in my mind. Quiet spaces where patterns align. Got that morning mindset locked and loaded. Screens lit up before the sun's posted. Brainwaves wavy, but I stay focused. This is how the day gets coded. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. Breakfast with data, yeah, that's how I feast. Analytics hit different when streets still asleep. Got my system down pat, no need to compete. Just me and these numbers in perfect repeat. Morning ritual, got me centered and clean. Filter my thoughts like it's fresh caffeine. Stack my odds before others' routine. This quiet grind about to make me beam. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. That's just how, that's just how. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, Rumble. How is everybody today?
Morning.
Good morning, Alex. How are you?
Good. Just eating my eggs as per usual.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Yes. How are you?
I am great. Absolutely magnificent, man.
Lovely, lovely.
Like off real quick. Where's that? Right there. All right. Let's see what we got to do today, guys. Good morning, man of the woods. Stop, no clicking. Ah, I see it. No clicking. Don't trade here. We didn't have it. This would not have been bad. All joking aside, man of the woods, if you would have got this close up above, right? And you would have we already put a wick on here, and you would have got a decent top wick, bottom wick, and then the flip would not have been awful if you look at it here on the hour, right? Not super bad. Not saying it still can't go up and do that, but we would have wanted to see a wick, right? We did defeat the 0.5 of the hour, not the 30, but we defeated the 0.5 of the hour. We got clean range up. We need a top wick up here. You know, everything says we're all good to go. I just would have liked to seen a steeper top wick on this hour candle and a bottom wick put on this candle before we started running up, just to give us an entry, right? For me, it's super hard to enter here, but is it a good trade up? Yeah. I mean, it's just the setup's there, the entry is not. Where we're at with it, right? Right at the 0.5 of that 30. But yeah, we're expecting this wick, right? That's what we would look for. So first is recovering this wick here. next is coming up and putting a wick on this candle, and we'll see if we can't figure out some way. Maybe I'll run something up on the 15. It's just super hard with all these wickless candles to the downside. It's going to be a little tough here, guys, but let's see what we can't take advantage of. Yeah, not the best. Yeah, I bet it runs, but again, this is the whole, this is trading in a hole. If anybody ever asked you what trading was coming in as a newbie, it's knowing that this is going to happen and realizing that you got to sit on your hands. I think that's where a lot of people struggle. It's just that side of it, just realizing, man, this thing's going to go up. It's going to tap this wick up here, and we're going to more than likely react and then break through there and come up and put a wick on this candle, and realize that you got to stop, like you said, stop clicking the mouse. All right, Warner, see you in a minute. And that's the whole problem. Why? Because, your entry's just not there. You can't just, you can't just run without an entry. That's the problem. So, even though we know what it's going to do, it just, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Good morning, Paul. Tap that wick. We already recovered that wick, it looks like. Yeah. That was nice, guys. What was it about? Yeah, when you look at that, that's what, 110, 112 ticks. So you're talking $1,100 per contract, You think to yourself, oh man, I should have been in that. No, you shouldn't have been in that. Gotta have an entry, guys. Gotta have an entry. Anybody do anything great yesterday when I wasn't here? We had the doctor's appointment. Oh, for everybody that is, following along, and I know not all you are following along with the baby thing, but they scheduled the C-section for December 4th. So, I'm not coming through on Discord. Alex, you heard me, right?
I hear you.
Okay, yeah. No, I am, Paul. It's got to be your side somehow, because Alex hears me. Anyway, they scheduled the C-section for December 4th, guys. So, ultimately, that will be the due date. That will be the due date for the new baby boy. I can hear you now, Paul.
Oh, you're getting a new kid?
Okay. Yep.
Or another? I don't know how many you have.
Yeah, no, it's another. Yeah, it's another. No, you don't. Alex, it's a super, I don't know how old you are. You don't have to divulge, but I have
24.
Okay. Well, you may not be able to feel the pain that I'm about to tell you then, but I have two children that are just about, they turned 18 last year. They're turning 19 this year. They're just about, they're to that point of moving out. And then out of the nowhere, wifey on birth control, we feel like old folks at this point. It's time to be grandparents, and all of a sudden, boom, you're pregnant. What? So now we get to start all over again. When we thought we were done. So it's all right though. Yeah, a lot of work. Yeah. But I guess it is. I talked to I've talked to a lot of different people that I know and things like that, and everybody says, well, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. Okay, well, we're gonna take it as a blessing then. It's the only way I could think about it. In the very beginning, I was a little down. I gotta be honest. I was like, and then we were like, well, okay. The upside, hopefully it's a girl, right? That's kind of where we're at, because we don't have a girl, so we were like, okay, well, hopefully it's a girl, and it ends up being a boy, and I'm like, oh man, where's the upside? But yeah, so we're just rolling with the punches at this point and rolling on with it. But yeah, December 4th is the due date now. That's the reason that I've been off stream a lot. I know for all you guys that are here all the time, you know, you kind of keep up with it, but that's why I'm not here a lot of times. We were at doctor's appointment yesterday. Again, I'm going to be gone on Friday because we got a doctor's appointment Friday morning. So I've been away a lot, and obviously it's going to be even more so as we get closer here. My thought process, and I kind of went over all this with you guys. I don't remember exactly. We used to take like a week from Thanksgiving, and then what we would do was take a couple weeks off for like Christmas up to New Year's or something. I don't remember exactly how we did it, guys. If any of you remember, let me know. I don't remember exactly how we did it, but I think what we're going to do this year, just because the baby is coming December 4th, I think once we take the time for Thanksgiving, we're just going to run from Thanksgiving all the way to the New Year. And I know for the live streams, not that I'm not going to be here, I'll still be here, but I think that's probably what we're going to do this year. And then once the New Year gets here and the market opens back up, I'll be back for the live streams. But we are going to have a gap like that, only because I don't see how I'm going to juggle all that with everything else that's going on. With the holidays coming and having, you know, the baby born and everything else, it's going to be a lot going on. Yeah, PD. Yeah, you hadn't been here? Yeah, it was PD, it was all your fault. I'm blaming you, my guy. PD hadn't been. I can't believe you didn't already know this, PD. Oh, you wasn't here to yeah, that's what it was. You wasn't here to talk ish. I figured everybody had already known. But yeah. Yeah, we are having a boy December 4th. That's basically what it is. So there will be some time away from the live stream. Like I said, for the holiday season, we're going to take off more time than what we normally do. Normally, we try to come in, and you guys already know, those times during the during that, you know, them weeks in December, early on before December, you know, before Christmas, there's never anything going on anyway. The market is so super stupid slow. So we're not going to be missing out on anything. Those few weeks that we're here, all we do is sit here anyway. I think there's like a week in between or something, maybe, that we're taking off extra, but there's never anything going on. It's so ugly. Abraham and Sarah story? What you mean, PD? I'm not sure I know that one. From the Bible. Too old to have kids, yeah. Having a kid at 100, yeah. I mean, I'm not quite 100 yet. Not quite 100 yet. But yeah, no, PD, it was crazy. I thought you was 75. Thank you, PD. Thank you. No, it was crazy because wifey was on birth control, and I mean, we're older, so like the chances of actually getting pregnant are, you know, I know, back page. The chances of actually getting pregnant were like slim to none. Like it should have been well You know, no reason to. So it was absolutely unexpected. For sure, you guys already know I was talking about building a sprinter and traveling once my children moved out. I was thinking about that and, you know, live streaming on the road and seeing the country a bit. So, yeah, I mean, definitely unexpected. But now I guess we replan. That's all. You have to step away. All right. See you in a bit, Werner. Yeah, I agree with you there, PD. I 100% agree there. Yeah, thanks, PD. Hopefully I still have enough in the tank to smack him around a little bit and keep him in line. That's my problem. I'm going to have to, you know, start getting back in shape, and you don't. Shut up. Glad to have you back, PD. This guy. I still got enough for these 18-year-olds. They're almost 19, so I still got it so far. But man, another 18 years, I don't know. They might be pushing me around in a dang wheelchair by the end of this.
Why are we in the trader both the live trading reality?
What'd you say, Paul?
Are
What's
we
up?
in the traders lounge? I'm looking here on the Discord. Normally we're in live trading, but for some reason today we all seem to be inside traders lounge.
Not really, right? Oh, you are right. It's because Aiken was already here. I just came in where he was. Son of a... Okay. Here, let's swap. I wonder if I can just swap. Hopefully I can swap. I'm going to swap everybody. I'm just going to drag him. Did it work? Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you. Hopefully you can still hear me. There's our... There we go. All right. Sorry, guys. I don't know how we... that was... Blame it on Aiken. He was already in here, so I just jumped in. I had no idea that he was in the Trader's Lounge. Absolutely no idea. Oh, somebody left. Oh, I shouldn't have pulled me into the woods. He says, nope, I'm not going in live trading. Are you out of your mind? I don't live trade. What'd you do, man of the woods? Where'd you go? Yeah. It's the famous Paul. Where did man of the woods go? He was here. He just disappeared. He's like, nope, don't you go pulling me into different ones. I could have put you back in the Trader's Lounge, man of the woods. I'm sorry. Surprised the chat from both here and Lounge goes to YouTube. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, anytime I switch. See, that's what I was trying to tell you guys. That's why I can't check my DMs. Right? So, if I go to DMs right now, it'll all come to the YouTube too. It'll all come across my OBS. That's why I can't check my DMs. PD showed up. What? I got audio on YouTube. You had audio on YouTube before, didn't you, Man of the Woods? I hope. Was it not working before? Did I do something wrong, maybe? Anyway. 15. Still not much. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully, it's playing out exactly like we said it was going to, guys. The problem is there still was just no entry. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Boom Boom Room. That was a good movie.
Oil made a massive move there earlier on this morning.
Did it?
Yeah.
I hadn't even looked at it this morning. Yep.
Check we off now at 61.
Woo.
56.
Yeah, it is. It is rolling. Good morning. You had us in the wrong room.
I know. I was wondering why you guys followed me.
Because I just went in there because you was in there.
Yeah, that's why my mic was open. I didn't care about it if anybody came in. I was actually jamming out to music in that channel before you guys came on.
Well, if I would have known that you didn't care, I would have left it open. I just wasn't sure that I wasn't sure you knew that it was open. But
Yeah.
Either way, I shouldn't have been in there. I didn't realize that was I didn't realize that's where you were at. I just thought that I thought that you were in the right room, so I just followed you. I didn't even consider that you weren't in there. Anyway, it don't matter either way.
Are you long on the Nasdaq yet, Aiken?
No, I literally have been screwing around all morning. Here we go. Live on YouTube. Let's see what we have for McDonald's. We got a railroad, boys.
Hey.
Collect all four of them. We get a $50,000 trip to Monopoly Go location. Okay.
You hear that, guys? Everybody on stream? What railroad did you get, Aiken? We're gonna start it right here. What railroad did you get?
I'm working on the website. The one I got was B&O Railroad.
B&O. So who's got some more railroads, guys? Come out. We're trying to work out a website that's called. Right, PD, you'll love this. But I'm not. It's not what you say, Aiken. Findyourpiece.com. It's where all the Monopoly players get together and put together their pieces and then split prizes. Work it out that way, right? Aiken wants it to be findyoursidepiece.com.
What's it? The original one was helpmefindmysidepiece.com.
Help me find my side piece. All right. I guess it could be helpmefindmypiece.com. Anyway, I don't know. Maybe it could be help me find my side piece.
Or we just do sidepiece.com.
Oh my jeez. Anyway, so there's that.
No. So the answer to the question was no. I'm not long on Nasdaq right now because there's not much. I don't see any clues. I mean, it kind of dropped down a little bit, but it bounced off my level, and it's just kind of doing whatever off my level. So I'm not even interested in anything right now.
Nice. Myself and Josh was working on something yesterday, and I don't want to say too much yet, but it gives quite a stiffer way of trading down in the 1 minute. If you combine it with the way that we trade and reality stuff, so I've been taking what Josh team has been showing me, and I'm obviously only in the practicing phase yet, but you can see from the chat some of the entries that I'm taking just from using his entry method, along with all of the other stuff that we do on here.
Beautiful, beautiful.
This means it's a wee bit, I feel a lot safer trading down in the 1 minute with the way that he does it and the way his strategy runs. But then I'm using that in relation to the way that I would trade with you, and see then if I can get my entry down there. That's why I'm on this long now. That's why I was asking Aiken. There's nothing very obvious for a long if you look at the 15 or the 30. Once you drop it down to the 1 minute, gives you a whole new view on it.
Very nice.
I'm not recommending anybody to be trading on the 1 minute, by the way. You need to fucking know what you're doing before. You have to be absolutely sure, not financial advice and all that other shit.
You trade 1 minute and seconds now. Very nice.
No, I still like to do my analysis from the higher time frames, to be honest with you, but
Yeah.
this thing that we're working on now gives you a lot more access, especially if you know what you're, a bit of an idea what you're doing.
It's basically just more hourly flips. So that's all it is. It's just not tied to one candle.
Okay, I'm still trying to piece it together myself, but I'm just using the bits that you showed me yesterday. I look forward to adding more bits to the puzzle.
I'm too impatient. Yeah. Yeah. PD, that happens. A lot of people are. Here's going to be this wick put on like we talked about earlier. Like I said, this was perfect setup, guys. Perfect setup on gold. All we needed was even a bottom wick would have been great, but a top wick and a bottom wick. I mean, we're up now 240 ticks. Very beautiful. Gold.
Every time I
Gold,
try to play with her, she doesn't do well with me, so I don't look at her. Despite how cute she is, I still don't look at her.
I can't help it. She's the best.
Sounds like you got a
help it.
sugar mama. We got two sugar mamas, man. You got taco mama. Woo! Say no more, fam.
And Q Mama pays better. She also hurts better. That's the other side as well.
I just always loved gold. I don't know why. Like NQ's all right, but I don't know. I've just always really, really loved gold. Something you and Crown worked on? Where is has Crown been around?
He was around yesterday.
Around, yeah.
He was here yesterday. Beautiful. He's doing good. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
he got a funded account. He actually has a full proper XFA now, so
Very nice.
What?
Love-
hold on to us. That's what the whole thing is all about. It's great to
Love-
see. Absolutely great to see.
Love to hear it. Love to hear it.
He's doing much better on range charts as well.
Beautiful.
On what?
Mhm.
Range charts.
Oh. So to answer your question, Jiggy, Paul, was
Yeah.
Yesterday when you pinged me, I had on the way down on the second candle, right before the end of the day, I made my money off that second candle, and then I didn't touch the trade after that because I had already made my 500 for the day, so I didn't even open the charts at all after that second candle went off.
Good idea, my friend. Very good idea.
So that was probably what? At the 130 candle. That's where I made my money, and I left the charts.
Oh, me and Josh sat on here all day scalping the NQ and absolutely killing it. Unfortunately, it was only some. I was just summing with these trades for most of yesterday, trying this new system. And geez, man, I made over $1,000 in just 4 micros over the space of the day. But the action yesterday was spectacular.
Well, originally yesterday on Sim, after it's all said and done, I made about 3,000 because I made that money back. But then halfway through that trade, I said, this trade looks too good to pass up. So that's when I jumped on the eval and banked off of it.
I didn't have the balls to do that because she was running. She was running so well. I thought the minute I changed from Sun to eval, it's gonna take me out. And of course, isn't that what happened?
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I entered the short, and then I was down $100, and then it flipped, and that's what I was like. I was getting a little nervous, not gonna lie, but I entered the trade, I executed, and I just had to let it play out, and it played out.
Yep. New York just opened. Okay. That will explain this massive move.
It hasn't done anything, so
I'm about the 5-minute opening range is what I'm looking at. Oh yeah. Closer with $200 from 2 micros in that move.
May be really good, guys.
Well, I came back very quick.
Yeah, if she comes all the way back down, right? And then we can get, that's going to be a bottom wick on the 1 hour. That bottom wick's going to be the fake out to induce the shorts that I'm looking at. So this candle comes down. We can even get maybe I mean, I'd love to see it come back into the range. It's about a perfect tap. I'm hoping it induces a little more than that and comes back into range. Gives a bottom wick on this candle. And then next candle, we could take a trade off of it. So if we get like even a no wick down here would be absolutely beautiful, and then a wick and a flip. But we're targeting this. I'm just trying to find an entry. We couldn't find one here. We closed above. The top wick was very weak. Bottom wick was basically non-existent. So that's the whole reason that we couldn't take this entry. But we expected that she was going to recover this wick and then put a wick on this candle. We talked about it when this closed. We just didn't get an entry here. So we could get an entry down here again if we could get a, bearish candle down here, close, maybe even a wick and flip back up after the close, something. Maybe even off the 15. I mean, let's see what we can do here. Maybe. But I'd love to see this put a bottom wick on first, and then I don't know if we'll get the opportunity. The entries are a pain this morning. They flip and run without us. I need to try to take it here. What's the 15 looking like? 9. Still got a pip. See what we can do.
How come Smelly Forest Boy has an exclamation mark over his name? Y'all see that?
Yeah.
No, I don't have one.
No, Smelly Forest Boy has it.
No, I mean, I don't
Where?
have an exclamation mark over his name. In the chat, you mean, or?
Yeah, let me take a picture.
Yeah, I don't have that. Range A and Q. See, I don't have an exclamation mark.
Your VC's delayed.
You see that?
Where?
It's not
I
his
don't,
VC.
I don't see
Put it on
nothing.
chat.
Did you post the
It's
image?
got the exclamation mark on him because it's showing him in VC, but he's not
Oh,
actually.
Click on attachment. Oh, yeah, I don't see him in VC. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, he's not in the call.
What?
He's not. Yeah, he's not in the call. I don't know why you see him.
That's interesting. Hold on, be right back. Now he gone.
He was gone the whole time. He's not now gone.
I don't know what happened.
Please tell me she just didn't stop it. Want her to keep moving.
Like Limp Bizkit. Keep on rolling.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Maybe we should just start copying Paul's trades.
Yeah, I wouldn't advise that.
I mean, your sim trades are working.
Yeah, again, like I said, I've only just discovered this. I wouldn't be taking anything off this yet. I'm just, like I said, yesterday was a definite learning experience. It's going to be another month or two yet of watching us to see what we have in our hands. You already know what you have in your hands. I'm still trying to figure it out. Are you taking any trades today yet, Joshy?
I just woke up.
Alright. I have half a day's work done out to the yoga and back in and everything.
Bro.
What time is it there, Jashim? Isn't it late or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2:20.
Oh my gosh, 2:20 in the afternoon. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Damn.
Well, I do some things before I touch charts, but like, I'm just saying wake up now. Because it's like part of my routine.
All right. No worries. I'm waiting for this hour pushback. Are you guys ready? I mean, are you guys gonna? You guys understand the hour pushback, right?
Nasdaq long. Let's go.
Good luck, Aiken. I forget what day it is. I'll let you guys know when it is, but we'll be an hour late. New York Open will be an hour late. It'll push it back. So.
For just a day.
No. Is that Aiken that just asked me that?
No.
No.
I can't see. Gosh, I need to come back in here because I ain't sure who asked me that.
Landon.
I'm just sitting in the back of the
Landon.
class and I'm getting called.
Oh, okay. Good morning, Landon. I didn't even know you were here. All right. No, it's for daylight savings. So the time changes. You know that.
Oh, okay. So it
Yeah.
doesn't really get pushed.
Well, I mean, it does because it'll be an hour later. So, like, the open will be an hour later for everybody else. We don't really realize it because all of our clocks just change. But for them, it'll all be an hour later. Yeah. So they get really confused. I've noticed this every time we have the time change, and I get it because now instead of the open being whatever time it is for them right now, it's actually an hour different. It just out of nowhere changes, and they're like, "What? I thought New York was supposed to be open." No, it doesn't open for an hour. Well, how's that? It always opened at this time for me before. So,
That's funny.
but yeah, it's coming up. I don't know exactly when it is, but
That means it's going to be 3:30 in the evening, reality, for the markets open at my end and start by 4 o'clock.
yeah. Yep. And it'll make it an hour later for the algo too. So where it's super late, Werner used to get super upset when the time was messed up because he didn't stay up late enough for to do, the power hour. He didn't want to do the power hour because it was too late for him at that point because it pushed back an hour and it was too late for him to be awake. So
Gotta get up early.
yep. But it will be pushing back, so we'll see. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. I don't remember exactly when it is, but it's coming up here shortly, I believe. The time changes.
Minute 15.
There's a new 4-hour opening as well, like on gold in the next
right.
16 minutes as well. So
This thing flips coming in. I wanted it to, like I said, we knew this whole move all the way here, guys. Once this candle closed, we knew we were going to get this. We knew we were going to put this top wick on. The problem is there just was no way to get involved. I know it's going to happen. It's just, now what? Hopefully we can get a very, very big move down on the 4. I was hoping more of a move here.
All right. Let's go, Nasdaq. I got kittens to feed.
She's gonna come up and do it before we ever get an
Juice
opportunity.
WRLD once said. Does anybody know what Juice WRLD once said?
No.
he's just rolled.
Waiting, all about waiting.
Wow.
What is
Getting
this?
along this time.
Yep.
Nice one.
He's still
Getting
holding?
down 5.
This is ridiculous, man. Every fucking thing I put on some gold.
What is this entry?
Here we go. Come on.
Uh,
How much you up now?
345. I'm out. Damn, that was a $400 move in 5 seconds. I love it. I love it. You mess with the horns, you get the bull, but you mess with the bull, you get the horns, but you better learn how to ride the son of a bitch.
Very nice, Aiken. Very nice. Here comes this wick now. She's going to put the wick on before we ever get an opportunity, guys.
There's
Just
no
nothing
wick.
to do. Just nothing to do. Still got nice clean range above. Honestly, if we can get above this wick, we still got nice clean range above for the 4 hour.
This is the first time in a long time that we've actually been below weekly open on a Thursday. The way the price has been going this last week, we've always been well above it. So it's unusual to see us below. So maybe we're going to be chasing longs back up to the weekly open instead of chasing short down to the weekly open.
Yep, very true, very true. Perfect weekly open too for that. Perfect to get up into this area. This is exactly, I mean, this is where your fake out area happens. The nose of the Mims. It's actually very perfect. Setup was so nice this morning. The entry just wasn't there.
I'ma take that shit. Watch your position crumble while I make that split. Emotional little bitch, I see you hesitate. While you're frozen up in fear, I calculate. Been studying your patterns, know just when you fold. Your weakest strategy's about to get controlled. I ain't playing games, this ain't no fucking sport. I'm that bitch who takes your money, leaves you short. Every time you FOMO in, I'm selling high. By the time you figure it out, your counts run dry. Cold-blooded executioner, that's what I do. Systematic elimination coming for you. Watch me scalp your profits with surgical precision while you're crying on Reddit about your bad decisions. Can't handle the pressure, better log right out, cause I feast on bitches with emotional doubt. Your fear is my feed. Your panic's what I need.
Are you still in it?
No, I moved up to the area just below it on 800 to protect the profits, even though they were imaginary, and it stopped me out. So yeah, I was very well in profit in that one. So, but watch, she's still rupping. I'm seeing now what happens at the 1 hour. Just hitting that line that I have. So I see now she stays above this here. It'll be more confidence for staying in the long. We also have several VWAPs to recover above us as well. So I'm going to switch.
What's the closest VWAP?
Closest VWAP now is at Tuesday at 216. It's also the Asia low as well for that session, and it's just above previous day low as well. So there's a lot of confluence as to call that. Right. And now she's dropping through all of those ranges that I use on the other chart as well. She's just clearing them one by one. I'll drop this into the chat for you to show you what I'm looking at. Oh, the SPY is taking one seriously big move up from the opening. That means the ES should be going up. That's why everything's going up now. I can if you check the MYM and the SPY, everything's been dragged up with these guys.
Here we go. One final push.
Yeah. And 4:51. Right, I'm gonna go make a cup of tea before 3 o'clock. You know what happened.
Yeah.
All right. See you in a bit, Paul.
Yeah.
Looks good, man of the woods. Let's go.
Market Mavericks. Mind the movement. We mastering this money mission, watch and learn. First time I stepped in, feeling fresh and free. Thinking trading's easy, that ain't meant to be. Paid my tuition through the losses, yes indeed. Till I found my family in the LT Top Dean.
Yeah, I expect some kind of resistance or a pullback.
What you know about staying cool when profits fly?
She's really close to a couple targets, so that makes me want to think she might go for them first.
Learn trade with pure precision. Precision plotting, properly positioned. Pattern recognition got my mind conditioned. Moving militant with market mathematics. While amateurs panic, we stay systematic. Breaking barriers with calculated actions. Fast-paced phrases match these price reactions. Stacking profits like I'm stacking syllables. Critical thinking keeps us invincible. Discord army, we stay sharp and ready. Base camp building, keeping movement steady. Market manipulation can't defeat us. Teacher taught us how to read and beat this. You know about patience when the pressure's high. What you know about staying cool when profits fly. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, pure precision. Slow it down, let me break it to your plane. Every loss we take becomes a lesson gained. Patient players prosper through the market pain, while others fold we maintain, remain, retain. Technical precision, timing's everything. Moving with conviction when the bells ring. Market master making major moves. Building better patterns, breaking through. Fast flow matches how the price be running. Always analyzing, never front running. Discord warriors drop the wisdom daily. Learning lessons, living life less lazy. Strategy stacked and system set. Profit protected, no room for regret. This is warfare waged with wisdom wide. Trading trenches, take the winning side. Watch me work a wicked word selection, while my wallet shows the win collection. Learn to trade and trade to win. That's the path we've always been. Market Mavericks, mind the movement. We mastering this money mission. Learn, trade, win, that's our vision. Watch me calculate, calibrate. Precision's what I demonstrate. Cold blood pumping, mind state, elevate. Y'all ain't ready for what I create. Calculated killer, ayy, market thriller. Play it smart, get it harder. Solid starter, calculated killer. Facts, never bitter. Make it hard, hit the target. Perfect Parker, yeah. Precise moves, never lose, that's the protocol. Clock tick, ticking while I'm picking out the perfect call. Ain't no rushing when I'm crushing competition to the wall. Stack attacks, facts match, watch me break the fall. Quick switch, flip, script, tips, rip strips off the chart. Smart part, hard art, tear the game apart. Been my time since the day that I would start. Now they all follow when I apply my perfect mark. Strike, right, time, right, mind, take, shine, right, now, fight, height, might. Pattern recognition got me locked and loaded up. Numbers dance before my eyes, while profits show me love. Analytics in my veins, I'm strategic when I cut. Push and pull the perfect tool, I know just when to strut. Methodical, analytical, statistical drive. Critical, pivotal, individual vibe. Watch and wait until it's time to come alive. Then I strike with perfect clean. Everything I got, I earned through discipline. Patience is the power that'll make you mean. Weigh and watch, then strike, that's how we win. How we win, how we win, how we win. Back up in it with the quickness, witness this precision. Split second decisions, crystal clear vision. No permission needed for this demolition. Competition wishing they could match my composition. Tactical, practical, mathematical.
Super slow here, guys.
Strategical, radical, handling time. Watch me stack it back.
Waiting for this 4 hour. Let's see what she does.
Matter of fact, I'm too refined. Calculated killer. Market thriller. Brand smart, get it hard. Solid starter. Calculated killer. Never been a. Make it on. Hit the target. Perfect parker. Game over.
Expect the wick to be put on here. We close with no top wick. We might get a top wick and a flip for the 4 hour, but I expect to put the wick on before the 4 hour closes here. I mean, it is interesting.
Like the song, get your wick on, get your wick on.
Maybe it. Can't believe we just kind of stalled here. Our spot was right here, sadly. Just didn't get an entry. Setup was perfect. Needed the top wick and the bottom wick here for the entry. We could have entered that candle expecting this, but entry just wasn't there. We talked about it putting a wick on this candle. I still think it puts the wick on. We'll see here. We got 2 minutes. You kind of expect a top wick on the 4 hour here. So if that happens, that moves this back down. See if we can close above the 0.5. Right at it. Yeah, it's going to be tough.
No mercy, just movement, cold and precise. You blink, you're gone, pay the trader's price. Chasing the edge, I'm riding the storm in this chaos. My will is reborn. I've been wrecked, I've been played. With every loss, it's a blade. Sharper now, I don't flinch no more. This ain't luck, it's a mental war. I won't break, I bend and I strike. Trading scars in the dead of night. Breathing the fear, reach hell to doubt. And cues loud, but louder I shout.
Damn.
How do you make a 4 hour close?
Gold? I mean, depends on.
Yes.
I was expecting we would have put that wick on to the left, and we're not going to. It's a little funny now because we're right at the 0.5 of previous 4 hour wick. That's what I was saying. So closing below that, you know, that could be our level at this point. I really expected to put a wick on this candle. Not saying we won't do it right now. It could be that we close below here and then come in, put on a top wick and break the highs. And then come back down. How many? We just reopened. Okay. Well, we're coming down first. Absolutely. We close below, though. We close below. Gold is just playing hard to get today. 72 ticks. That wick is still nice. Like I said, the ideal entry was right freaking here. I mean, not the ideal entry. I should say that. The entry wasn't there. The ideal setup to enter was right here. We just couldn't get the dang entry. So now Came up and took the high. Taking the flip here would be almost suicide. Taking the high doesn't have a lot of meat on the bones. Maybe we can get a 15 close down below. That wouldn't be the ugliest thing in the world. Maybe like a doji. Oh, let's see here.
It's a little chilly out today.
It is here too. Well, to me, it seems like it, but you won't think it's chilly here probably because it's probably like 70 or something.
That's a bloody hot summer's day where I'm from.
I know. I don't know. Let me check and see what the temperature is. I was freezing this morning. I've got insulated pants on right now. And wool socks. It is. Yeah, it's 71 right now. The high today is 83.
Yeah, that's an excellent summer's day with me.
49. Man, that's cold. The wife keeps talking about wanting to move out of Florida. I don't know. I don't know if I can deal with it. I don't know if I can deal with the cold, you guys.
I know I can't. Dude, it'll be like 70 and I have a vest on.
Yeah. No, I am freezing. That flip would have been super tough there, guys. It's so risky. Not saying it won't go. It'll probably go now, but just that was a hard one. We got to close below the 0.5. Too tough for me. If anybody took it, great. I just can't. Just can't do it. Yeah, she's talking about wanting to move to the Midwest. I don't know.
What's in the Midwest?
My opinion? Nothing.
Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way, dog.
I'm from the Midwest, so unfortunately, it's different for me. But she really likes the area. I think it's cold. I don't want to be cold, but we will see. She's completely crazy. I think she's just pregnant, guys. She told me. She says, "Well, here she sprung this on me. I want another push up to look to catch the knife, to be honest. Very nice, very nice. She sprang this on me here a few days ago. I was talking about, yeah, I know, you know, she says, she was talking about having a girl, and I was like, yeah, I know you wanted to have a girl. I wanted to have a girl too, and she's like, well, we could try again. What? What?
Like the stock market, if it doesn't work first, I'll try again.
Yeah, I gave her stock market. I was like, here comes that wick. I said exactly this. I said, I'm not sure that the risk is worth the reward. Like, we're having another one first off, and what happens if it's a boy? Like, do we really want a girl that bad? Like, she says, well, we're already doing it anyway, so I don't see what the problem is. We got to raise one anyway, so it's how would it be any different if it's two? At least we have a chance for a girl then. I'm like, what if we have another boy? Well, I don't know. Well, I mean, that's the risk in this thing. You got to think about that.
Next thing you know, they'll say, yeah, we'll take the boy. It's twins.
Oh my geez. I don't even want to think about that. And I asked her that. I was like, so if it's a boy, then what? I said, how many times are we trying again? I said 6, 8, where are we at with this whole thing? I'm like, I don't know. I don't know if I want to give in here. You give an inch, and you know they take a mile here. I don't know. So I think she's I think her hormones are getting to her or something. I don't know what's going on.
You give her a tiny wick, she wants the whole thing.
Yeah, right. Oh, I don't know. So we'll see. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't think I want to. I think she's out of her mind, honestly.
Anybody get on that trade?
Or which one?
Gold. She's roughing up. Hold on here. I just need to start chasing here with a stop loss.
Yep, very nice, Bo. Very nice. I couldn't get in due to entry, sadly. That just wasn't. Second time today that she's coming up and moving nice, but I just can't find an entry to get involved. But absolutely beautiful. I am super glad you got it. Absolutely beautiful. Should put a wick on that candle now. That's what we've been looking for. I know you weren't here earlier when this candle was closing, but we talked about it right here. We were like, when this candle closed and this candle came in, we were like, this thing's gonna come up, put a wick on this candle. We knew she was going up here. It was just a matter of how do you get involved, you know what I mean? Very nice, very nice.
Like a sacred art, keep my feelings locked away, that's being smart. Every morning grinding, watching lines advance. Nothing left to chance, this ain't no romance. Build it brick by brick, no shortcuts here. Patience is the path that got me in the clear. I wanna know how I stay so cool when the pressure's high and the stakes are cruel. But I learned the whole way out.
We get the 0.5 of this shit. Whoops, wrong one. Not quite. Whoa.
Okay, that's me stopped out.
Very nice trade.
Yep, beautiful. Great call, as always.
We get a decent wick on there yet, or let's see. Oh yeah, it's still 2 ticks. It's not bad. We'll go ahead and take this off, but I think it'll put a steeper wick, honestly. I mean, there's no guarantees, but she didn't quite tap that 0.5 yet. Let's see here. Man, I'm tired. Oh, there's a nice little range too. We actually may be able to take another trade off this, Paul. We can get a close up above there. It actually created a little range on the 15.
Yep, see that?
Yeah, this could there could be another opportunity here.
3 minutes till it closes.
Yeah.
Wait for the 15 to close.
That is not a bad little area there. This was just the top of this candle, guys. This line here. This wasn't actually any kind of anything. It was just, I just wanted to see when we put that wick on. So that was all that actual line was for. When we actually got into that area. So if I was looking here, I knew what was happening over to the left. So that was the only purpose for that. That wasn't any kind of resistance line or anything. If
I would have been me stopped out at break even if I hadn't have gotten out. That's 800 charge rate, man.
oh yeah,
See the reversals coming.
Yeah.
Before you even see it anywhere else.
Yeah, I love the 800. A lot of people don't get it. They're like, it just, well, what does it matter? I'm telling you, it matters, guys. Once you can start seeing the price action on the 800, it changes everything. I mean, I'll be 100% honest with you.
Yep, I can confirm that. It's an absolute game changer.
That's what we thought Franklin was, but no, he sucks. He got fired.
Who?
Football coach.
All right, okay. What are you seeing on the Nasdaq again? We had a nice 15-minute sweep down into the low of the London highs, and she looks like she's trying to make a move back up again, but there's a few wickless below. That's my only worry. But as you know, NQ doesn't necessarily pay a lot of attention to the wicks at times.
She could have just stalling right here. Wait to see what she does.
Yeah, she needs to get above 160. That'll be the next major area of resistance if we can get up that far.
Learn, trade, win. That's the motto we live in. Every loss made me stronger, now I'm never giving in. Started at the bottom looking at them charts all day. Red numbers hit different when you rent late. Studied every pattern till my eyes went blank. Now I move different, got a different rank. Used to chase the quick flip, ended up in pain. Had to learn patience, had to train my brain. Watching all these suckers make the same mistakes, while I'm in the back plotting my escape. Years of preparation, analyzing trends. Cold nights grinding while they playing pretend. Now my phone stay buzzing, numbers looking right. Made it through the storm, now I see the light. Living by the system that I built myself. Knowledge is the currents more than money and wealth. Watch me stack my wins like it's mathematics. While they moving sloppy, I stay calculated. Learn, trade, win, that's the way. Every day we begin, stack it up. Learn, trade, win, never stop.
It was an interesting open on the 15, guys. Sorry, wifey was talking to me real quick.
While these fools sleeping, yo no tengo sueño. Aprendí las reglas, now I break the code. Desde abajo hasta arriba, that's how the story goes. Lost 100 times, but I'm still here standing. Cada pedida taught me new understanding. Now I'm moving.
No work in the 15 though.
Yeah.
Perfect timing, that's my estilo.
It's on 30.
Yeah, but so super tough. I'm gonna wait for the 30 close here. If you get a bottom wick, right? If you were to get the bottom wick on the 15 or on the 30, that's gonna give you the top wick on the 15, and then a close back down. I kind of like that for a short. Back down in this area.
Mm.
I know that sounds super crazy, but if we came out of here, induce long or induce shorts, come back up, stop them back out for the longs to come in, think right here, then I kind of like it to come back down and run their stops. So it looks like this, right? We'll just change it. Looks like this currently. Came up, shorted down, but if it breaks through here, then you already know they're looking at it as then demand to come back up and break these highs. The way these candles just played out, I kind of like the test to here, right? To come back up, test here, come back down, then the 30 will have a bottom wick close below. The top wick will come in for that retest on the 15, right? Next 15 candle retest, and then you can trade the 30 on the flip. Saying it all plays out that way. Obviously, we're trying to tell the future here, but that is not a bad setup there. So essentially, the 15 will look like this. Let's just draw it in where we are here, I guess. Look like this, and then trick it back in to run down. Something similar to that. Should induce your longs once it gets back up in that area. We're sideways on the 5. Should be the test of this 0.5 of this wick, essentially right in that area. Then we'll have a bottom wick on here. So we'll have a close below with the bottom wick, top wick flip, trade it down.
Yeah, the POC of that entire wave reality is down at 4129. So see what you're chatting about. Just need to set up now.
Yeah.
Oh, Nasdaq's coming down nicely on the 4.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Jesus, man, I missed that.
Yo, is random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice. 10 steps ahead, your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check and mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You move
Yoshima, are you there?
I already sealed your fate.
What's up?
I'm looking at the 1 minute now on the Nasdaq, and we're down at the line. What do you see down here now?
You could maybe take a shot, but it's already moved, so I wouldn't take it. The long, it's too close to structure, so no longs.
Okay, good to know. Yeah.
Or maybe half risk longs.
No, I'm gonna listen to what you're saying. I'm just watching now to see what happens, because like you said, we're basically bang smack on the line at this point in time. So I'm gonna wait to see what happens. We still have a 5 minute opening range below, but yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, and on the 15 minute as well, we just whacked the previous 15 to the left.
Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping.
You could have caught the short on RTY.
I can't even put my eyes on any more charts than already on. I find it hard to keep up with what we've got. I'm watching the EST, the MYM, and the SPY. Smelly keeps talking about the RTY as well. Yay. Got a nice wee long there.
Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every
Yeah, this is where I have to take some out, so that's why I didn't want to take that. But it was a setup on the line. On 2 of the lines, actually.
I only have one, unfortunately, for the time being, but it's working well.
Oh shit! I entered the long on Nasdaq, and that son of a bitch already made my profit, so it kicked me out. I was like, what the fuck? Why did my call just get canceled? Why did my trade just get canceled? And that's why. Because I've already made the profit go for the day.
Alright, okay. I'm about to get stuff here by the looks of it. I'm going to close it for $40 because it's going to come back on me, I feel. Yeah.
Not bad spot at all.
Yeah.
Damn.
It was 50-50. It was 50-50 on that one, but I wanted to secure my profit. And yep, she's running nicely now. Very good.
4 minutes. Not much here. We came up, we put that top wick. So we made the top wick on the 15 like we were talking about. We didn't quite get up here like we were thinking. I was hoping to come up here and then come back down and close bearish so that we'd be closing down in this area with this bottom wick. Instead, it looks like she could possibly close bullish. Oh.
What would the implications be if this closes as a green doji? It's not like she's going to do it now, though.
Yeah, if she closes a green doji, she's going to close right back in range.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, I mean, on the 15, if you're looking at it, I mean, it depends on how this next candle comes through, but you could... How much room do we have here? About 40-ish ticks. You could essentially try to trade the break of the high if the stop isn't too bad if you close in range. I'm not sure she will. That's the problem. You'd have to close in range on the 15 to be a bullish doji on the 30. You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
So...
Yep.
Man.
Look at me, too. I had a bad night's sleep last night, too. Oh.
Yeah.
It's only 10:27. I'm rating 75 miles.
I didn't sleep well at all last night either.
Mm.
I don't know why. What is your yellow line?
Not gonna lie, I had a hard time getting asleep. I even tried to play some Pokemon and that shit crashed, and then I went to bed.
It seems to be the night for it. I had yoga this morning as well, so it was extra bloody hairy.
You know what's really cool? I participate in what they call goat yoga. So we do yoga with the goats, the goaty goats. They just run around and jump on you and try to eat your straws, all sorts of crazy cool stuff.
Right.
I'm not kidding. I'll send you a picture.
What? You got a picture of this. Where's he going to get a picture of this at? Paul, I felt like he was really bullshitting here, and now he's going to send a picture.
No, I'm not bullshitting you, bro. Little goaty goats, bro. We don't bullshit with the little goaty goats.
I've heard of people doing yoga in all kinds of mad situations.
53 seconds.
I'm get one with no face. See if I can take a picture. There. I'll send this one. I don't think it's got anybody's face on it.
What? What? Paul said you can do that with chihuahuas too.
You need a lot of chihuahuas to make feel the weight of that thing on your back.
The goat yoga that's coming up, it's different. So the goats don't have anything on them, but for this one, it's Halloween goat yoga. So they're gonna dress up the goats before they release them out to the yoga.
Absolute sideways. Absolute sideways. We're definitely going to come in for a top wing on this. Oh, absolute sideways. Yeah, absolute sideways. This is not... If we can come down here, that's the 0.5 of this candle now. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to how these candles are building. Essentially, I put this line here for the break of this low because we had no bottom wick, so we expected the break of the low and then to come back up with no... Because we had no top wick on this candle, which still we don't. But now, that is about the 0.5 of the previous 30. Pretty close. That line's almost exactly there. I would love to see us come down, retest that, and then break the highs. Again, not saying, what are you going to trade there? I mean, that's tough. It's tough to take the trade there, not going to lie, but just for all fairness, I'd like to come to... Yeah.
Show everybody what they were seeing down here, because what I'm seeing is just literally real tracks.
Yep. Yep. So, and you could try to, right? You could try to get involved, but I mean, this is tight consolidation. I wouldn't bank on it. What do we think is going to happen? We think we're going to test the 0.5 of this wick. We already talked about that early on. We expect to test the 0.5 of that wick, which gets us back up in this area, right? So we expect we're going to test these highs. The problem is you want to test presumably the bottom to get your shorts involved. So we'd like to see this 0.5 tested first and get the shorts involved. And then the highs got to break. So all these things would essentially have to happen in order to get involved in a long that's not going to be great. I mean, you're only talking about the top of this range. It's going to be like 30 ticks or something, but I guess it's 40 for all fairness. But still, you know, that's what, I mean, I'm not in love with it, guys. I'll just be honest with you. I'd rather see us break down at this point and try to get some closures below like we were talking about. That's why we were talking about that in the very beginning, was to hope to come up here, test this 0.5, right? And then get a closure below here. Would have been ideal to come back down and test this area because we've got clean range all the way down. I mean, we do up top too, but you got to understand, I mean, it is a ton of ways, I guess, from where we are here, but we've got to get through all the rest of this crap first, and then yesterday's high and everything else. I mean, I guess it could happen. Oh, I kind of like that move down to put all the wicks on this candle, though. I'll be honest with you. The move up, you really want to, you know, start manage it here. Yeah. 4 hours, what, Paul?
The 4 hours just perfect doji.
Yeah.
It's got everybody trapped in both ends of those 2 wicks there. Absolutely everybody. Let me see what size is that. So everybody within a 200 tick range is trapped.
Yep. Yep. That's the problem. I mean, it's just kind of a mess. Just kind of a mess. That's kind of what I'm looking at, guys. Could just be another sideways. But, I mean, I'm just saying, you could trade the break of this with a stop underneath. But it's going to be, I mean, it's kind of an ugly looking trade. Even if you, let's just put a long position up there for fun. All right. And essentially, we're going to want to stop somewhere down in this area. If she flips and your take prop, I mean, it's just not much of a position. TP1 really should be in this general vicinity somewhere. So something like that. Somewhere around in there. Maybe even a little bit further down. Somewhere around in there for TP1. You know. Your stop's going to be, I mean, somewhere down here so that the 0.5 can be tested. I mean, it's just not, it is not ideal, guys. Not ideal, especially on this sideways market. I mean, you see what you see. I mean, it's... I'm going to say it's not going to play. No. I'm just not in love with it. I'll be honest with you. If you're just trying to, let's say, scalp, you know, to scalp, then yeah. I don't expect a big move push up. Now, can it come up here? Yeah, obviously, but it's just not super ideal in my opinion. Which drop here? Very nice, very nice.
Just a wee quick scalp and Q.
So that's what I see, guys. If we can get some closing, and I'm going to take this off before it actually does hit there. I don't want anybody on YouTube trying to get involved in this. It's you super better know what you're doing if you try to take that position, guys. Just saying. That's my thoughts there. If we start getting some closures down here below this 0.5, you guys already know. Nice movement down to recover these wicks would be great. We talked about that early on. Now that we've put a wick on this candle. Does that mean she has to go down? Absolutely not. You already know this. She could go up. Up's just not as, it's tough. We've got a lot of areas in between. So, can you sit here and scalp it up and hope? Yeah. I mean, that's the whole thing. This thing may break the highs and just run, but my opinion is you're going to break the highs. You're going to hit this area up here, up top, and shorts are going to start coming in this area. Does that mean you can't push through them? By no means. Then you get to these highs, shorts are going to start coming in again. We need a wick on this candle. Great, so this is right? And then you hit yesterday's high, shorts are going to start coming in again. There's just going to be a ton of places where you're going to essentially, potentially, let's say it that way, get shook out. But am I saying not to take it? Absolutely not. I'm just saying you understand where you're at with it. Anybody got any questions on that? I think I am going to shut down for the day, guys.
No worries. Thank you as always.
Yep, I appreciate you. Thank you as well. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. I will not be here tomorrow, so have a great weekend. I'll be there for the algo today. Tomorrow, no algo. So have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see you bright and early Monday morning. And we'll start all over again. Like I said, gold's been moving actually pretty well, so we'll see. We'll see how she works, guys. I think I'm gonna go sleep. No, I need to stay awake. All right, guys.
Hey, take care.
Yep. Have a great weekend, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, guys, stay consistent out there.
Cheers, man.
I'll be back later, Paul.
Be hanging.
Let's begin. Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice, 10 steps ahead. Your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check and mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You move too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's a mission. Learn, trade, win, a competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system. Checkmate, game over. Level up, game over. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, that mess with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Learn, baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing. But I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend. Making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market here. They said I couldn't make it, but I did. Said I should quit trading, never did. Now look who's calculating, all day, while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Yeah. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play, check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Style money. Style money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves. That's how we do it.
Yeah. Fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go.
All day I grind, screen in my face, numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks, ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise, ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right, learn the game, stack the game, patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head, make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D, charts tell the truth, data don't lie, here's the proof. Watch profits fly, discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right, I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro, stay on the track, watch numbers grow, cut through the shit, trust what I know, win bit by bit, put on a show, every move planned, nothing by chance, take my stance, seize my advance, quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits, getting paid, getting paid. Bring, 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 bring. Charts on my screen, mind in the zone, studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick.
slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears.
Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close each trade I take, peeling verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp, like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't carts till they knew my name. This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.